My name is Jacob Diemer and I'm a part of the team of Ramp, and we are a startup situated here at AAU in Aalborg. And essentially it's a physical device that you mount to your mountain bike or BMX bike, and then you can record and analyze and share new metrics that you haven't seen in the extreme biking scene before. And then they'll upload their data into a cloud-based app, and then you can share your performance with others. I got a great idea on my 8th semester's study on sports technology, and I thought that this could maybe be a feasible product that could turn into a business potentially. Then the NVC offer came in my inbox, and then I thought, well, this is a golden opportunity for me to actually combine my study with something that I can turn into a business. And the NVC is basically a startup program where people from all over the world and from different different studies can combine their knowledge in multinational and diverse teams to create something valuable. That this would not be a replacement of your 9th semester study, but it will add more value to it. So we were still able to work within the area that we were focusing on in our study, but at the same time we were able to build up a business and get the more business-related aspect to it. I can only talk from my study that I know that this is highly beneficial for their curriculum that they're undergoing. So it's definitely a huge plus to have this on your CV. The incubator has given us a lot of good knowledge and skills and good offerings. For example, we recently got an office here where we can sit and work in privacy, and the most important thing is that we know that the business developers are always around, so if we have a quick question we can always just drop by. You can find Ramp at writingamplified.com where all our contact info is available, and we have some videos explaining the concept, and you can also find our Facebook page, which is Ramp-Writing Amplified.